Welcome! I will be sharing with you some open educational resources for K-12 science instruction. There exists a vast array of such resources, and I will be showing you just a few examples of the types of materials that you might find and incorporate in a virtual learning space or in a traditional face-to-face course. Let's begin by talking about open resources for lesson plans and science content. The Hot Chalk Lesson Plans page is one such resource. As the name suggests, the Lessons Plan page has just that, lots of lesson plans, by teachers for teachers. There are about 800 science lesson plans on the site organized by grade level. For each lesson plan, you'll find a star rating by the site users to help you assess the quality of that lesson. Another good source for science lessons is Sally Ride STEM Central. This site is hosted by the organization led by first female astronaut Sally Ride. It has a great collection of science, technology, and engineering lessons. The over 3,000 lessons come from a variety of sources and have varying components, including some with video lectures, simulations, and activities. The Discovery Education site also has a collection of science lessons. Many of the Discovery Education lessons tie in with Discovery Channel video elements and have high-quality activity worksheets to accompany them. A final example of an open education resource for science lesson plans is the NASA for Educator site. Not surprisingly, the NASA site has excellent space science lessons, but they also feature science lessons from related fields. Many of their materials are suitable for extension and enrichment of a traditional science curriculum and might be particularly effective in a virtual learning space. One example is their Build a Space Station simulation, where students work collaboratively to build a virtual space station. Now that we've seen some sources for full lessons and content, let's talk about some open supplementary instructional resources. For science education, the virtual learning space may offer some opportunities not available in the classroom. For example, virtual simulations, labs, and demonstrations may help students actively engage with science equipment and materials not available in your physical classroom. The PHET interactive simulation sites offer such resources. Organized by science discipline, the PHET simulations offer fun interactive applets with fun graphics to help visualize scientific and mathematical concepts. The Science Kids website offers more science simulations plus a host of other resources. Science Kids has simple experiments with household materials. They have fun online games, quizzes, and fact sheets. They also have a wide range of projects, lesson plans, and even science videos. For grades K through 8, this is a great one-stop shop for science supplements. A popular figure in the U.S. educational television for kids is Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye's website has a set of science demonstrations that can be done with everyday household materials. The instructions are simple, and the scientific explanation of the underlying concept is clear and succinct. If you're looking for interactive tutorials and games, the I Know That site has a great set of visually appealing science activities. The activities cover an impressive array of topics. The content of these activities is kind of hard to describe and best visited yourself. Each item has a combination of visuals, audio recordings, neat science-related facts in the margin, and interactive features. A final sample open resource is the Neo K12 site. As their banner says, they provide educational videos, lessons, and games for K-12 school kids. Their collection of science videos, activities, and games is particularly comprehensive. Many of the materials may be particularly suitable for integration into a virtual learning course. For example, here on the cell structures page, you see that they have pictures, quizzes, online games, and videos on the topic. All are open source and can be adopted into a virtual learning space to meet your student learning objectives. As you have hopefully seen, there exists a vast number of open K-12 science resources. Many of these open lesson plans, simulations, games, and other sources may be well suited for adaptation into a virtual or traditional classroom experience. I hope you have fun exploring these and other open science resources. Thanks!